Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today we're gonna see one of the functionality of Excel that will derive a result. So let's understand the question. We have a names, first name and the last name. We want to extract the first name and last name in separate columns. As you know, there is a function left and find that we can use the combination and we can extract the details. But instead of writing a code or formula, we can extract a result very easily. So what we have to do? We have to provide a sample to the Excel. So I want to extract the first name from this column, from this cell. Yogesh is the first name. So what I'll do, I'll go in column B, I'll type Yogesh, enter. I will select the whole column. In a home tab, editing format, I will click on the flash fill. Once you click on the flash fill, you will be able to see the result has been extracted. So if you see Yogesh, Mohit, Anil, Param, those are the first name. There are some incorrect results also. We'll analyze why this has not extracted the first name. So when I say Yogesh, so it matches with the input. So we have the input Yogesh Deshpande. Yogesh matches till the space. Okay. So it assumes that, the flash fill assumes we have to extract a data from the left side till the space. Fine. Same thing happens with Mohit. It matches it matches the data till the space. So if you see after a Mohit there is a space. That is why it extracted a Mohit. But when you see with the Onkar Kulkarni, there is no space between Onkar and Kulkarni. It does not match the format. That's why the flash fill assumes that this is the complete name. So what I will do, I'll just select the data, just clear the contents only to keep the format. I'll remove the color and I'll type again Yogesh. But before using the flash fill, I will provide a space between first name and last name. Okay. If you see, I have provided the space between first name and last name. Now we'll try again. So select data, home and flash fill. Okay. Now this is extracted the correct result. You getting? Same thing happening with the row number 8. After a G, there is a space. That's why flash fill assumes that this is the first name. Now let us see another functionality of that. So I'll remove the details and this time I will type Yogesh in the caps lock. Let us see what flash fill does. So I'll just use the flash fill. Oh, now you can see everything in the capital format. So it assumes the data with the format also. So whatever format you provide, it will automatically extract the data with provided sample. So this is the sample that we had provided, and based on that, the result has been derived. So this is the one of the functionality of the flash fill. We'll see another example. I will leave this last name for you as a practice. Let's see. I want to find out the domain. Domain means the name after at. So I'll write it down. This is the domain name India Times. I'll just copy it. I'll paste it here. I will select the complete row, go to flash fill, use it. Now you can see all the domain name has been extracted. So I want this in proper format. The first letter should be in capital. So I'll select the data, press delete to remove all the content, copy the India Times again, and I will change I in capital I. And select the data and use the flash fill. Now you can see all the domains are in proper format. So students, try this at your side and let me know if you need any help. subscribe our channel for this kind of videos in future. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.